Stop by and take a look at the 2019 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.